Have you ever found a house you really liked, but then you thought we probably need to make some updates or it's really dated, so we'll probably just pass? Well, this is where a mortgage plus improvements program can sometimes help. In sort of basic terms, it allows buyers to include certain renovation costs as part of their mortgage instead of paying for everything separately after the fact. So essentially, you roll it into your mortgage, include it in your mortgage when you purchase the property. And this can be especially helpful for buyers who are looking at homes that are structurally solid, but maybe need some cosmetic updates, we could say. So paint or flooring, maybe update the kitchen or the bathrooms, some basic kind of cosmetic updates. Now, there is a process involved. Typically, you need to get quotes from contractors ahead of time saying these are the things that we want to do with the property, and then submit that with your mortgage application. Your mortgage broker can help you with all of those things. And you'll still need to stay under the amount that you've qualified for. For example, if you qualified for a $500,000 mortgage and you find a house that you can get for, say, $470,000, you've got a $30,000 window or buffer that you can work with to do those updates with. So as long as you stay under what it was that you were qualified for, you're good. So this can help buyers improve a home sooner, get into a better location maybe, and potentially build equity right from day one.